very, before Callie was born, we experienced the Omicron COVID, and it was very kind of struggle. Yes, but the good thing is Callie is healthy. Yeah. So we have the kids already. Okay. Asan ang photographer natin? Oh, yan na. What's the game? Greet Callie the longest. Let's start with Zoe. You make it long. You make it long. You make it long. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, that's the game. Okay, 6 seconds. Zoe, 7 seconds. 3 seconds.
Happy birthday, baby Kim.
It's Callie. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Okay, thanks sila. 3 seconds. Oh, congratulations, Adeline. I'll give you guys a present. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Finally, chow time na kay Panaligs and food review. So, second time ko na to kasi ang first experience ko ay with my best friend from Australia na si Mrs. David Balbas. So, shout out. At yan na nga, simulan na natin ng food review. First is one of the appetizers, mozzarella. Ayan, as a cheese lover, perfect para sa akin to. So, nag-enjoy ako sa lahat ng food. So, flavorful lahat. Yan, umpisa pa lang yan. And isa sa mga flavors din ng pizza, pero ko lahat yung pizza or pizza, sabi nga ng lola ko, pizza. Ayan, so masarap din, all meat, pero preferred ko yung Hawaiian nila. Yan, may iba kasing sauce yun. So, ayun, may samje pa, and nakapag-salad din ako. Caesar salad, one of my favorites din. Balance din yung menu kasi meron tayong chop suey with tonkatsu or best paired with tonkatsu. Pero mas gusto ko yung fresh veggies na chop suey. And then, next is yung seafood pasta. Hindi ko na napakita dyan. Kasi sabay ko na tinikman yung iba. Ako nag-video dun sa pangalawa. Kaya ikikwento ko na lang. So, mas kesa sa carbonara na na-try ko the first time, yung cream carbonara. Masarap din yun. Mahilig sa spicy. Winner siya for me. Nagustuhan ko yung seafood pasta. It's a must try. Kanina sa unang part ng video, and so masarap din. Plus yung chicken wings na may iba't ibang flavor, as you can see, is very crunchy. So, sign mo na to kay Panalig para mag-try. At di ko pala na-videohan yung matcha latte. Second time ko na rin mag-try nun kasi favorite ko talaga yung matcha latte. Pero kung may isa-suggest man ako sa susunod kong punta sa Retro Cafe 252 is bawasan yung sweetness. Nonetheless, I'm still giving a perfect score, 10 over 10 para sa Retro Cafe kasi nga accommodating yung staff, mababait, at masarap yung food, and napakaganda ng How are you today?
Want to have picture taking by the with the backdrop there. Just go. No shy in here. Retro. Thank you so much for the menu and for the food. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you for the applause. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, so since we have the banners, right? So we're going to sing Happy Birthday for Callie and use the banner and show it up. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Callie. Happy birthday, Callie.
Happy birthday, Callie!
Blow na mami and daddy blow.
Yay!
Oh, wait na. Standby. So, tapos.
Banner!
Birthday, Callie.
Callie!
Happy birthday, Callie. First birthday. And guys, thank you so much also for coming. But we can stay here until 8 o'clock. You can, chill and chat with friends. Okay. Give back.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming and thank you for celebrating with us for Callie's first birthday and Daddy tuloy mo. Thank you all. Sobrang na-appreciate namin lahat ng pagpunta nyo dito. It's an intimate party and sana na-enjoy nyo lahat. So thank you!
Thank you.
Thank you! Wow! Cupcake! Bye, ate!